Hey guys, Scarlett Built Across, and I want to show you how I paint this turkey and a pumpkin paint by line. I'm going to go in first and base coat my turkey, and I base coated his face in the color putty and then in with terracotta for his mouth and the pumpkin. Following that, I'm going to go in with rustic red for the stripe on his hat and also his gobbler. Following that, I'm going in with a little bit of evergreen for the leaf on the pumpkin. Following that, I'll go in with chocolate for the stem and just base coat his hat in black. I'm also going to use that chocolate color to go in and go over the stripes that are etched into the cutout on my pumpkin. And then in between each of the little pumpkin ridges, I'll highlight just a little bit with that chocolate color. And then I will go in with some of the color putty and highlight all of those little chocolate accents with putty, and then go down the side of my stem just to kind of make it look like the sun is shining on it. Now that everything's dry, I'm going to go in with my Sharpie brushstroke marker and outline everything. I'm also going to use the Sharpie marker to fill in his mouth. And then once I'm done outlining everything, I'll go in with a little bit of the color cotton and a number 4 round to highlight everything, and that will finish my cutout. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a wonderful day.